Good morning, Coffee Klatsch friends. It is Tuesday, January 14th. Thanks for joining me for Coffee Klatsch this morning. And I'm popping in a little late this morning. It always feels like the fur children run amok about 8:55. So one of these days we'll figure it out. It's so cold outside that I did bring the kittens in, or the not so kittens. And they do have a nice little heated building type little hut that they do use. But, again, it is so cold. I'm going to flip you around and show you what I got going this morning. So let me know the temperature at your place this morning. It is Arctic here. But the heater is going. The pellet stove went all night long, so it's nice and toasty in here. So good morning, Mardell. I'm flipping you around here. Close your eyes. Here we go. All right. So I got lots on the schedule to do today. Lots of things to get on the schedule. Don't forget that we've got bingo coming up on the 25th of January. It is going to be super fun. I will be posting more details here shortly. It's on my list, but I have this morning a cute little stamp set that is part of our online exclusives. It's called Twisted in Time. Now, it's cute. It's got kind of a bonsai feel. I don't have it, but I did get these really cute cards in a swap that I did. I think this is from Lori Krause and this is from Karen Braxton. They're beautiful. I love them. But I don't have the stamp set, and I needed a card for yesterday's card buffet, and I do have some packets left over. So they will be in the next card buffet coming up in 2 weeks. But what I chose to use instead is Loveliest Tree. It's got a different feel. But again, I do like I'm a tree girl, so I thought it would be, kind of fun to use this one in lieu of the Twisted in Time. So I am making this card subbed with this stamp set. So let's go forward. Good morning, Sharon. Nice to have you along as well. So what I've got is Mossy Meadow. Beautiful, beautiful color. I have some of our fun new plaid paper. It's found in that storybook, the storybook suite paper. It is so pretty and so muted. I love it. So we're going to use that today. I pulled out some retired silver, kind of a purpley silver foil, and we're going to start layering this up. So first off, we are going to, I want to put this down first. Okay. And I'm building on a piece of white cardstock because I just find that it's easier to glue one full piece versus a bunch of little ones. So let's add our silver foil. And I just want a little piece poking out here. Oops. Stay still. And then this, we're going to glue here. I couldn't find my snail adhesive this morning, so we're using green glue. But I love green glue, so it's okay. Not everybody does, but I do. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. I'm going to trim that up just a smidge since I got a little wonky. All right. And just trim that off. Okay. Morning, Ruby. Nice to have you as long as well. Everybody's staying warm. Then this is going to get glued right here. All right. Okay, a little scrap of paper there. I am going to grab the tree. And I find some of these bigger stamps, I usually ink up upside down. Just stick that right on there. And we're going to die cut it. move it over just a smidge. Okay. Let's run this through. This Loveliest tree stamp set is great for, you know, anyone that is outdoorsy. I don't know, it's just kind of a nice little, to me, it reminds me a lot of Lovely as a Tree. It was like one of my first stamp sets, but I like that it's got these really nice sayings in it. Congratulations, happy birthday, and with heartfelt sympathy. Like three of the big three. The reasons why you would send cards. Now, what I chose to do too is I'm going to use the pecan pie blend, and I'm just going to color in these. So yes, I will have a few more packets of these left for the next card buffet, which will be coming up in 2 weeks. What day is that? It would be it would be, there's some refills. The 27th, Monday the 27th. Just kind of coloring in. Doesn't have to be perfect because, of course, this part isn't perfect. And what I'm going to do is I just decided to use my mask a little bit because, again, to me, it felt like I don't know, it's kind of overkill. But I thought it kind of controlled the sponge a little bit better. I don't know. I might be overthinking it, but who knows? So I'm just going to color in. Using the sponge dauber. It doesn't have to be perfect because, again, it's just, and a little bit down here. But look at how cool that is. It just has a real nice feel to it. I'm going to use dimensionals to put this one right up here. And again, this is what we're going for. Similar, but just a different style. Love the sketch. This would be really cute with that little storybook Friends too. All right. And I'm going to put that one right here. One of my all-time favorites die sets is the Greetings of the Season. Love that. There's a bunch of different little tags. So I am going to stamp the Sending Heartfelt Sympathy. I have a funeral to go to this Sunday. One of Rob's friends passed, and he was a big outdoorsy guy. So this is what I'm hoping I will use on Sunday. And again, I'm going to add dimensionals. I'm going to put that one right down here. Little linen thread. I don't see my bow maker here, so we're just going to make one. Okay. Little glue dot. I didn't bother, you know, like a lot of times, I mean, you could have threaded it through there and actually tied on the actual tag. I am going to cheat and just use a glue dot and drop the glue dot right into that hole, because then it looks like you've tied it and it's just easy, right? Oh. And then one of my all-time favorite sayings is the loss is a measure, but so is the love behind. If I would have been thinking, I probably would have tried to include that in my stamp set that has the sympathy sayings. But alas, someone else will have to do that. All right, adding this again. Just going to add that right there to the top. And Put that in here. And we have a fun card. But again, if it was birthdays, it would be fun. This is a sympathy. I've chosen to make it as a sympathy. Either one. I have both of them in there. Both a sympathy and birthday greetings, either one. So yeah, that is my version of Lori's card. Both of them are cute, just has completely different vibe. So again, oh, I forgot my glass dots. I gotta embellish. Blah. I can't believe I forgot that part of it. I put one up here and one right here. There we go. It's finished now. All right, friends, you have a great day. We will chat again on Thursday. Stay warm. Do something creative. I don't know. Attempt. Thanks again, friends. We will chat soon. Toodles.